Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we transport you to the mesmerizing island of Ganghwa, North Korea. Nestled in the estuary of the Han River, this gem of an island holds a significant place in the heart of North Korea. Ganghwa Island, a serene sanctuary, is a fusion of rich history and mesmerizing beauty. Largely undisturbed by the hustle and bustle of city life, Ganghwa offers a tranquil escape into nature's warm embrace. Known for its breathtaking landscapes that effortlessly blend lush mountains, timeless historical sites, and captivating seascapes, the island is a paradise for those seeking solace in nature's garden. With a reputation that precedes itself, Ganghwa Island has become synonymous with picturesque views and tranquil surroundings. Its natural beauty, further amplified by the gentle whispers of the wind and the rhythmic lullaby of the waves, has earned it a spot in the hearts of many. Prepare to embark on this visually stunning journey as we explore the best sceneries Ganghwa has to offer. Our first stop takes us to the historical sites scattered around the island. Among the many, two stand out for their historical significance and scenic beauty: the Goryeong Palace site and the Ganghwa Anglican Church. Let's start with the Goryeong Palace site. This site is a testament to the island's rich history, dating back to the era of the Goryeo dynasty. The palace once served as the royal residence and the political hub during the invasions of the 13th century. Though the palace is no longer standing, the site itself is a powerful reminder of a time when kings and queens walked its grounds. Today, the Goryeong Palace site is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a beautiful contrast with the remnants of the palace walls. It's a site that effortlessly merges the past with the present. Next, we have the Ganghwa Anglican Church, a historical monument from the late 19th century. This red brick church is one of the oldest Western-style buildings in the region. As you approach the church, the strikingly tall bell tower catches your attention. The church, though built by foreign missionaries, reflects the local architectural aesthetics, creating a unique fusion of styles. The surrounding landscape, with its array of vibrant flowers and towering trees, adds to the charm of this historical site. These historical sites are not just about the buildings or their ruins. They're about the stories they hold, the history they've witnessed, and the culture they've nurtured. Each site is like a time capsule, offering a glimpse into the bygone eras and the lives of those who came before us. And it's not just the history that makes these sites special, it's also the scenic beauty that surrounds them. The vibrant greenery, the blooming flowers, and the clear blue skies all come together to create a picturesque backdrop that's as captivating as the historical sites themselves. These historical sites not only offer a glimpse into the island's past, but also provide a picturesque backdrop. They remind us that history is not just about dates and events, but about people, their lives, and their connection with nature. Next, we explore the island's breathtaking seascapes. As we journey through the island of Ganghwa, we are greeted by the serene and tranquil beaches, a perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of the natural world. These aren't just any beaches, they are stretches of white sand that contrast beautifully with the clear azure waters. They offer a soothing atmosphere, a refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Venture a little further and the waters of the ocean will reveal their crystal clear quality. The transparency of these waters is so remarkable, it's as if you're gazing into a mirror, reflecting the sky above. This pristine clarity makes it a perfect spot for water activities such as snorkeling and diving, where the underwater world reveals its hidden treasures. But the seascapes of Ganghwa are not solely about the tranquil beaches and clear waters. They are also home to unique rock formations that add an extra layer of allure to the scenery. These geological wonders, shaped by the relentless forces of nature over thousands of years, stand as a testament to the island's rich natural history. They rise from the ocean, creating an impressive sight that leaves one in awe of their grandeur. Each rock formation tells a different story, some showing signs of erosion from the waves that have crashed against them for millennia, others boasting sharp, jagged edges that showcase the raw, untamed beauty of nature. When the sun sets, these rocks cast long shadows over the water, creating a breathtaking scene that is a feast for the eyes. The seascapes of Ganghwa are a symphony of natural elements, each playing its part to create a harmonious and tranquil setting. They offer a feeling of calm and peace, a place where one can escape from the world and immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. Whether it's the soothing beaches, the clear waters, or the unique rock formations, every aspect of these seascapes contributes to the overall tranquility they offer. The captivating seascapes of Ganghwa are truly a sight to behold. Ganghwa's natural beauty doesn't stop at the sea. Let's venture into its rich flora and fauna. You might be surprised to find out that this island is a vibrant tapestry of plant and animal life, each more fascinating than the last. On our journey through Ganghwa's lush greenery, we encounter a variety of plant species that paint the landscape with a riot of colors, from the towering Korean pines that reach for the sky, to the delicate wildflowers that dot the fields with splashes of yellow, pink, and purple. Every corner of the island is a celebration of life. But it's not just the plants that make Ganghwa a nature lover's paradise. The island is also home to a myriad of animal species. A quiet stroll might lead you to a playful squirrel darting up a tree, or a graceful deer grazing peacefully. And let's not forget the birds. The island is a haven for birdwatchers. With over 100 species of birds, including the majestic white-tailed sea eagle and the vibrant yellow-throated bunting, the island's skies and trees are always alive with song and fluttering wings. Among the fauna, the Ganghwa water deer deserves a special mention. This small, nimble creature, uniquely adapted to the island's environment, is a sight to behold with its soft brown fur and distinctive downward-pointing antlers. The interplay of the island's flora and fauna creates a serene environment that seems almost untouched by human hands. The vibrant colors of the plants complement the earthy tones of the animals, creating a spectacle that is both soothing and awe-inspiring. This rich biodiversity is not just beautiful to look at, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the island's ecosystem. Each plant and animal has a part to play, from the smallest insect to the tallest tree. The diverse flora and fauna add to the island's scenic charm, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Whether you're a botanist, a birdwatcher, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Ganghwa offers a unique experience that is sure to leave you spellbound. Finally, we journey towards the mountainous terrains of Ganghwa. This captivating island is not just about its historical sites, vibrant flora and fauna, or its stunning seascapes. It also boasts an array of magnificent mountains that create a landscape so striking, it's as if a master artist had a hand in its creation. Imagine lush green mountains, their peaks piercing the sky, their slopes forming a stunning canvas that changes with the seasons. Each mountain range in Ganghwa holds its unique charm, with hiking trails that wind through dense forests, across babbling brooks, and up craggy cliffs. These trails are the veins of Ganghwa, pulsating with life and adventure, waiting to be explored. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual walker, the trails cater to all levels of fitness and offer a range of distances. As you navigate these trails, the serene environment wraps around you like a comforting blanket, the chirping of birds your only company, the rustling of leaves your background music. But it's not just about the journey. Reaching the top of these mountains is equally rewarding. The breathtaking views from the summits are a sight to behold. You're treated to a panorama of Ganghwa in all its glory. The sparkling sea, the vibrant greenery, the quaint villages. It's a visual symphony that resonates with the very essence of nature's beauty. While the climb might be challenging, the sense of accomplishment you feel as you conquer each peak is unparalleled. It's an adventure that tests your mettle, pushes your boundaries, and rewards you with memories that last a lifetime. To put it simply, the mountainous terrains of Ganghwa are more than just a sightseeing spot. They offer a sense of adventure, a moment of tranquility, and a view that's worth every step of the climb. These mountainous terrains are the perfect spots for those seeking a blend of adventure and scenery. So, when you set foot on Ganghwa, make sure to add these majestic mountains to your must-visit list. You'll be glad you did. And there we have it, a snapshot of the scenic wonders Ganghwa Island has to offer. We've journeyed through time at the historical sites, taking in the stories etched in ancient stone. We've been mesmerized by the breathtaking seascapes, where the sky seems to merge with the sea in a dance of colors. We've marveled at the rich array of flora and fauna, a testament to the island's thriving biodiversity. And we've climbed the mountainous terrains, where the world feels both vast and wonderfully small. Ganghwa Island, with its unique beauty and tranquility, truly is a gem waiting to be discovered. But our journey doesn't stop here. There's a whole world out there brimming with beauty and mystery. Which area of the world should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Your support helps this channel to grow. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.